In this video, I'm going to teach you a new strategy so you can earn an extra $600 a month by creating an influencer with artificial intelligence. Yes, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money by creating people who don't exist. The first thing you're going to do is go to this website called apob.ai. This is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you create a digital version of yourself. Now, what do you have to do? You're going to create an account on this page. It's super easy. You can register using your email, or if you want to go faster, like Primo Franco always does, you can log in with your Google account. And here you basically have two options. Either upload a photo of yourself where it says select reference image, although it could actually be any other photo, not necessarily one of you. And the other option is to generate an avatar from scratch. Personally, my favorite option is to click where it says AI Influencer Generator, so it can create that avatar from scratch and you don't have to upload your photo or any personal image, okay? Now here you can choose whether it's a woman, a man, the age, even the nationality, face shape, hairstyle. Actually, this applies to both men and women, but if you create a female influencer, I don't know. I think you might do better because clothing brands, makeup brands pay quite a lot. Fitness, lifestyle, they tend to invest more in female profiles to promote their products. For example, makeup is a billion-dollar industry, so that would give you an advantage. So if your goal is to monetize as quickly as possible, personally, I would tell you to create a female influencer, a digital or virtual woman, whatever you want to call it. Now, once you finish creating your character with all these features, you can see here, age, style, nationality, etc. You simply click this button here that says Generate. That's it. In a few seconds, you'll have your first hyper-realistic avatar, as you can see, and tell me if this isn't amazing. I mean, it looks, I don't know, to me it looks super real. Now, you'll land on this section, which is kind of like your dashboard, more or less, and here you can even generate more images in different various scenarios. Even videos as well, outfit changes, different photos outdoors, at home, whatever you want. For example, if you click on the left side where it says generate video, you can give it a script about what you want the video to be about. It obviously has to be an audio. And the artificial intelligence in charge takes care of creating and animating your digital avatar as if it were speaking. Tell me this isn't mind-blowing. Yes, as if it were speaking, as if it were a real flesh and blood person with its own tone of voice, absolutely everything. It can even move, interact naturally just like a person would in front of a camera, for example, the way I'm doing right now. Does it make you wonder if I'm not a virtual influencer? We'll never know. Okay, perfect. Now, here where it says image to video, you can select content you've already generated before. An image, for example, I don't know. And on the right side, write a description, a pose, or I don't know, a movement. You click on generate, and in a matter of seconds, the artificial intelligence transforms that static image into a fully animated video. As if your AV, your avatar, I don't know, we're alive, right? Whether it's a real person. So it will be able to move, it will be able to talk and everything. And the more detailed you are, I would say the better the results. So take your time and you can try as many, I don't know, combinations as you want until you find that style, that person, that avatar, that influencer that you really like, that you want to look like that to the rest of the world and the internet. So I would say it's just a matter of playing around with the tool a little bit. It's super easy to use, really. Personally, I'm using it because this business model can provide you with passive income, and above all, you can create more than one avatar. I mean, you can have a male influencer, a female influencer, and that way you can grow 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts at the same time. You don't have to show your face. If you're one of those people who doesn't want to show their face to make money online, and you've always been told, no, you have to build a personal brand, this is the best way, or one of the best ways, I would say. Actually, there are several, but this is one of the best because it's passive income, and obviously you can monetize a digital influencer, male or female, from scratch. Now you get to decide what it looks like, that's entirely up to you. And once the images are generated, whether images or videos, whichever you chose, you download them and start posting them on social media. This is where the strategic work begins. Obviously, I'm not just going to leave you at simply posting, no. You're going to create an account on Instagram or TikTok, which are my two favorite social networks, let's say. You're going to give your influencer a personality. For example, I don't know, maybe she's a traveler, an athlete, an entrepreneur, and you're going to use relevant hashtags and start posting content consistently. I would even say morning, afternoon, and night. Morning, afternoon, and night. Interact with your audience as if you were that character, and little by little you'll start to attract followers. People who like what this digital influencer is doing on that account. And you can even use Aitana herself as a reference, look at her account, see what she's doing, see how she's innovating, how she's a pioneer in this case since she's a woman within this niche of digital influencers, but who are virtual and powered by artificial intelligence. And as you can see, in fact, you can even see which brands are paying her, who she's advertising for, what she's doing, what she's posting, absolutely everything. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel, but rather model what is already working. And this is where I would say one of the best ways to monetize this whole process comes in, and that's by applying something Primo Franco does every day, which is affiliate marketing. Let's suppose your influencer, who is a virtual influencer, I don't know, has a fitness theme, let's say, okay? You can become an affiliate for platforms like Amazon, Hotmart, or even Shein, AliExpress. The sky's the limit. So you start promoting products related to this theme, to this industry, and every time someone buys through your link, which you put, let's say, in your bio, maybe a Hotmart link or an Amazon link for a product or a list from an Amazon store, I don't know, with 30, 40, 50 products, every time someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. You can do this on Instagram, you can do it on Facebook, you can do it on TikTok. And if you combine this strategy with videos generated using apob.ai, which is the tool I'm showing you, you can even have your avatar appear recommending a product. What I mean is, for example, I have a product here in my hands and I am an avatar. So you can have your avatar start talking, start giving a description, a review, talking about the product. This makes it more believable so that the person, the audience, the follower, looks, identifies with it and says, I want it, I'm going to buy it. The avatar can even say, click the link in my bio. Just like I'm telling you now, click the link in the description so you can access this artificial intelligence tool that will allow you to create this virtual influencer using my discount code. In the same way, this influencer will do it for you. You don't have to appear on camera. So let's suppose, because we're going to do a bit of math, let's say you offer this service. Let's say the following, okay? To offer a digital influencer creator service on Fiverr, for example, fiverr.com. And what you do is go in, type AI influencer in the search bar, and you'll see dozens of people offering to create custom digital avatars for social media, and they can charge you anywhere from $10 for a basic avatar up to $30. And there are even some who charge $75 or more. So that's another way you can monetize by using this tool. Whether you create your own influencer, start an account, grow it, and monetize it, or you can also offer that service as a freelancer on Fiverr. So let's say you offer a service for $20 per avatar creation, including a set of images, some videos, etc. If you sell just 10 orders a month, you're already making $200 extra. 200. But if you sell 30 orders, that's $600 a month. And if you scale up even a little more, you could easily surpass $1,000, $1,500. The sky's the limit. And we're only talking about services here, not even creating your own avatar, where you can earn through affiliate marketing and, of course, sponsorships and more. The sky's the limit, but you have to take action once and for all. Obviously, money isn't just gonna fall from the sky simply because you get this tool. You have to play around a bit, dip your toes in the water, create your first digital avatar, your first digital influencer, grow an account. With the avatar, you don't have to speak in front of a camera, you don't have to show your face at all. Do it now and make it happen. Don't let this be just another video where you simply say, oh wow, that's amazing. You save it and then forget about it. Remember, the ball is in your court right now. Just make it happen. The best thing about this tool I just showed you is, let's say, its pricing. They have a completely free plan with 80 credits per day, but the videos come with a watermark and paid plans start at $6 a month. $6 a month. So what can you actually do with that? You can create content without a watermark, and in this case, you can, let's say, train custom models, work more professionally depending on the plan you choose.